Thank you.
Oh.
Wow, that was nice.
Yeah, but what's okay? That doesn't seem sustainable to me. Another hole closing.
Okay, wow, that's smart. That's smart.
It's pretty okay.
I would even test it, I guess.
You don't like that hole? Use some white over. Nice. Don't like that hole? Use some gold. I feel like it's nice.
Wow.
It's good.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, better than it was.
Yep.
Word.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're filling. How are we gonna fill this hole now?
I have an idea.
You have an idea? Okay.
Yeah. You will take another piece of the same thing, and just to keep it there.
Ah.
But you know what? It's not gonna work if there is empty space. The whole thing just fell.
You gotta fill it in.
Yeah. So it could work, but
it could be better.
Yeah. Usually have a space between your drywall and the actual walls.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
So, what a nice paint job.
What a nice paint job. Yes, not at all edited.
Yeah.
Just leave it like that. That's good. Yep.
Oh, that's kind of clever.
It is clever.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It's nice, but I feel like when they were cutting it, they could have accidentally cut a hole in the bottom, and then made it an even more of a mess. You know.
This could be. You need to be careful, but I knew some people who could do precisely good cutting and even don't touch the table.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. 5-minute crafts just built different, I guess.
But,
the laws of physics don't apply to 5-minute crafters.
What I want to say, you can try it. I mean.
Ooh.
Depends how handful you are. Wow.
That's nice to get rid of those little air bubbles.
Yeah, and such smooth movements. Wow.
Smooth movements.
Smooth.
I just imagine 5-minute crafters in general have like very smooth movements in everything they do. Like even when they trip over, they like slow motion, you know?
Yeah. Actually, there is really sometimes you need to move everything, on time.
Yeah, it's a very
not the same
elaborate process, right?
To show to the viewer better, you shouldn't cover.
Yeah.
I mean, in real life, you wouldn't move like so.
This lady got a hole in her pants. Okay, lady, wow.
Oh, excuse me.
What are we gonna do about the hole in her? Oh, she's wearing a dress all of a sudden.
Oh, thanks.
When she wasn't before.
Okay, it's a jacket.
All right. That looks good.
Yeah, kind of fashionable.
Pretty outfit. Nice.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we got another hole.
Okay, how are you gonna pin it, bar? Oh, guys.
Forget about it. Just use your lunch.
It's just. Oh, I think you.
This is like Joey Tribbiani from Friends thought of this one. He was like, "Yeah, just use peanut butter."
Yeah. Close your hole.
Okay. Hey, that's pretty nice. I don't know. Is that stable? I guess so.
I think for the frame.
For a tiny frame, yes.
That's fine.
For a bigger frame, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Ooh.
What a beautiful wire connection.
Yeah. Is it okay to put liquid in there, even if it's gonna harden?
This special liquid.
Okay,
it's fine.
So it's not gonna like cause a shortage or something.
No.
Okay.
This is the special thing for your electricity system.
Okay. Soldering. Ooh.
Okay. Wow. I like this.
This is nice, covering up the loose wires.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
So good, strong connection.
Yeah, but it's
pretty
a lot
thick.
of space around to
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to conceal it very well, right?
Exactly. But it could work. But it's better used to some connectors. Wow.
So we're making a plug socket here, or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, there's that's gone.
Perfect. Yeah.
But there's no connection there. How would you connect?
It's just for.
It's just
decoration.
a show, yeah, just decoration, I guess.
Oh, it's smart.
That's a nice one.
Okay, yeah, it's good work.
See, that's efficient use of space. Ooh, the sparkler thing. If it's 4th of July, you're set.
Wow.
A little spring. This looks very complicated. Interesting.
Yeah, but
that thing's for nails usually, right? Like in the wall?
Yeah.
Okay. Weird. Using things for different uses
is
5-minute crafts motto.
Yeah. Okay.
Using things in unconventional ways. We got a wine cork. We got some glue. We got a sander. Who needs a drill bit at the end of a Dremel if you're an alcoholic?
Yeah, true. I guess.
Yeah, relate.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good, bro. You need to beat. Okay.
Secure the wood.
I also saw another one. If you smash a bit the head of the screw,
True, yeah.
it also can go smoother there. So.
Okay, this is nice.
Okay. What a spray! It looks.
I thought it was just normal spray paint. Okay, interesting. So it has a hole in it, and it like gradually comes out. But also, I feel like the tip would get what do you call it? It would get hard after a while of using it.
Why?
Because the liquid's coming out, and then the liquid will harden the tip of the little spring. This looks very complicated. Interesting.
Yeah, but
that thing's for nails usually, right? Like in the wall?
Yeah.
Okay. Weird. Using things for different uses
is
5 Minute Crafts motto.
Yeah. Okay.
Using things in unconventional ways. We got a wine cork. We got some glue. We got a sander. Who needs a drill bit at the end of a Dremel if you're an alcoholic?
Yeah, true. I guess.
Yeah, relate.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good, bro. You need to beat.
Secure the wood.
I also saw another one. If you smash a bit the head of the screw,
True, yeah.
it also can go smoother there. So.
Okay, this is nice.
Okay. What a spray! It looks.
I thought it was just normal spray paint. Okay, interesting. So it has a hole in it, and it like gradually comes out. But also, I feel like the tip would get what do you call it? It would get hard after a while of using it.
Why?
Because the liquid's coming out, and then the liquid will harden the tip of the
It depends
brush.
on the liquid. No.
True, yeah.
If it's oil, nothing.
True, yeah, you're right.
It's not pain.
Ooh, that's nice. I don't know how. It would probably take a long time though.
Kinda.
Okay, some rubber, some plastic. What is at the end of that? I don't.
It's just the
so that you can do it more tightly.
Exactly. There's some extender, right?
Reminds me of like those big bags that you used to put like icing in when you're making a cake and you draw out the names. I love that. I want someone to draw out my name in my mouth with icing right now. That's a weird kink of mine.
Kinda, but it could be understood.
Yeah.
Okay,
with tape.
With
there would be a little dip though. You'd see the dip.
But the thing is, you need to put something between there. Otherwise, you will have the crack again. The same spot. It's like the thing which hold everything. So.
Yeah.
Okay, metal connection. Nice
Metal
one.
connection. All right.
Wow, that's smart.
That's nice.
That's smart.
Get accurate sizes.
Yeah. Sizes and the line. It's always difficult to line it. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice little connection there.
I guess.
What are we gonna do here? Eyelash curler.
Yeah, just destroy your pliers for waiting something.
I don't know, pliers are nice. I would prefer to just have my pliers intact.
Yeah. I mean, how often you need such a shape of
right?
plier, right?
You can use it on your eyelashes though.
Yeah. We need to test it.
We should test it.
Okay, that's smart.
Okay, cutty. Sandy. Painty. Screwy. Alright, what are we doing here?
I like our reactions came to the screwy, booty,
That's just our whole videos
pixie.
now, yeah. Quixie pixie. Alright, why?
To get a shape of the
ring, I guess, yeah.
But you can put this hinge and do the same without any bottle.
I think it's just for us to be confused.
Oh, okay.
So we keep asking questions. It's all about keeping the attention. That's what we like to do.
I guess it's harder.
Ooh.
Wow.
Stop it. Okay, this looks... Ooh, nice. I feel like it needs like a little brace at the bottom though, so it doesn't slip.
Yeah, maybe, but it could work.
Yeah.
Wow. Useful.
Okay, we're doing a little sawzy here. Little triangle, Illuminati. Little... Ooh, that's such a satisfying connection.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna get a little... This is like a buffer thing.
Yep.
Okay.
But what? Ah, it just... Oh,
Smart.
what a smart!
Smart.
You always have trouble to, you know,
Put
to
them
center
on.
it.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Wow.
I want that in my life.
Amazing.
I don't even have a buffer, but I'm gonna get one just so I can do that.
Yeah, wow. Okay.
What is the point of this
I
now?
don't know. Oh.
Ah, it's like a
Okay.
tight wrench.
Yeah, to make the shape. Yeah,
That's
nice.
pretty cool.
Okay, well. Good job.
Good job. Not bad.
Will I use it?
Probably
Guess
not.
No.
You never know though.
You
never know.
Yeah.
Maybe you're making like a fence or some railings or something one day.
I think.
I wish I had. I'm just imagining you're old.
Okay.
I wish I had something to make twisties, and then you make that thing.
Actually, yeah. I think we're laughing on it, but the main idea, you know, all people watching this, maybe in one day or maybe in a post-apocalypse, I can use it.
Yes,
or
exactly.
something.
Yeah, if there's like, you know, no one around, no craftsman around to help you out, you can be like, I saw something on 5 Minute Crafts. You're old too. I saw something on 5 Minute Crafts one time. I'm going to use it. And then you use it.
Yeah, and now you got the idea of 5 Minute Crafts.
Exactly. That's exactly it. We're preparing you for the future.
Yep.
Give us more
More reactions.
right now.